All right, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to integrate your Smarter Contact account with Podio. So I'm going to show you guys how to get that set up today. So when you're logged in, you want to go into your settings, API. Next, you want to get your Podio launched. So let's log into Podio. Okay, and just for this call, for this training, I'm going to create a new one. So from the very beginning, what you want to do is you want to go to the top here, in this drop down, and go to account settings, API key. All right. So here you're just going to type in the application name. So you just put Smarter Contact and domain. So thesmartercontact.com. For some reason, you can't put www. So just make sure thesmartercontact.com. And it's going to generate a code for you. And fairly simple. You just copy, new, copy, and paste. Copy and paste. All right, it looks like they found each other. Grant access. Okay, now it found it within Smarter Contact. Now this is my organization. Select the pack that you want it to send it to. So, for example, this one that we want to send it to. And now you select the app that you want, that you're tracking all your contacts. So it's up to you. Everybody's got different contacts. For example, incoming requests. And what you're going to do is you're going to add the fields. These are Podio fields that you're going to add, and you're going to match them up to Smarter Contact. So we're going to add name, and Podio, it is called name. Great. Phone number. Phone number. Address. Address. Update. Okay, so now it's updated. You can put as many fields as you want, any fields, notes, even anything that you want to sync up, and it will send it, it'll push it out. Okay, make sure to update it. Now you go into your main screen, go into the lead, and here is the lead. Select the drop down, incoming requests, and you click the button. Okay, easy as pie. So now it should show up here within Podio. And there it is. A few seconds ago, came right in. So hope that was helpful. And if you have any more questions, just reach out to us at support@thesmartercontact.com.